Beyoncé is back again at the FedEx Field in Washington, D.C. for the American leg of her Renaissance World Tour. And although the rain came pouring and threatening to close the show, the Queen chose to rise above it all and gave us a performance of a lifetime under the rain. This show in DC is definitely one for the books, and I sure cannot wait to bring you up to speed to what really went down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Success, and today I give you the rundown of everything that happened at Beyonce's concert in Washington DC for day 2. I also give you all the juicy tea you might have missed from her show, so grab a snack for this one because it's about to get really interesting. Unique. It is no news that it rained heavily in Washington DC before and during the show, which caused the show to be delayed. However, new tea has surfaced that the show for day 2 was almost cancelled, and this was due to the fact that they had not envisaged the thunderstorm and the lightning that came as a result of the heavy rain. But Beyoncé, being so resilient, did not want to waste the time of her fans, so she agreed to push back the show to ensure safety. She even had to pay $100,000 for the Metro to run an extra hour because of this said pushback. She is such a thoughtful queen, and I stan her. Unique. There is a new opening outfit on the block, and this one is surely stimulating. Beyoncé opened her show on the second night in Washington, D.C. in a custom velvety black and bejeweled bodysuit by Nina Ricci. And she has paired this with shoes designed by Harris Reed and jewelries from Tiffany & Co. Overall, this look is definitely intriguing, and we sure cannot wait to see what she turns up with in the next city. Take a look. Unique. The good people of Washington DC were definitely on their Zoom as they smashed up the mute challenge. Now, recall that it was indeed a mute fail for the day 1 show of Washington DC, and Nashville was so far the best mute. Well, not anymore, because DC definitely did its thing and smashed the mute challenge. I'm really excited about this, and I can just hope that the next cities will take a cue from DC and Nashville and remain in a total mute when the Queen demands it. Let's say that mute one more time. Unique. I'd never thought there would come a day where I'd see the cozy performance without the robots. But guess what? That day was yesterday. Beyoncé, for the first time ever on the Renaissance World Tour, performed cozy without the robot. And this was mainly due to safety reasons, as it requires electricals to operate. But you want to know what the gag is? The gag is she absolutely ate that cozy performance up with or without the robot arms. Take a look.
Just a reminder. It's a reminder.
Unique. Well, it looks like Blue Ivy is not backing down too. The rain has got nothing on Blue, and she sure made sure to show up and show out. Blue Ivy once again graces the stage and snatches all the attention from her mother as she performs to the My Power dance break. I also noticed that she had to switch up the choreo towards the ending for her to gracefully exit the stage because the stage was wet. Take a look.
Just that burn, if they gon' burn, just that lightning. Just that air, just my careful, just my fearful, just that war, that's my bloodline. On the front line, ready for war, go black. Gotta protect my grace, even out in the sand. My power can never take
Unique.
You said you want to serve, yes, ChaCha. You said you want to eat, yes, ChaCha. You said you want to do it for a Fox 5. Let's go. Do you like it or not? Do you like it or not? Do you like it or not? ChaCha gonna make it real hot.
By now, we're all aware that Honey is on a medical type leave. However, there is a new ballroom diva on the block who would play Honey's substitute, and their name is Theon, also known as ChaCha Balenciaga.
I'm ChaCha, and I am the entertainer with a smile. Ding.
Now, if you don't know who Theon is, I'll fill you in. ChaCha was first introduced to me through a ballroom competition show called Legendary, and they are in the same house as Honey Balenciaga, which is the house of Balenciaga. So it is so great to see ChaCha on the show killing it, and I can say they did an amazing job. Take a look. Unique. Now, apart from the opening look, Beyoncé has served us 2 more new outfits in her show for day 2 in Washington DC, and guess what, we're absolutely going to talk about it. The first one will be this look, the silvery look by Paco Rabanne that she uses to open Cuffit, and it's a custom Paco Rabanne look, and she has paired this with matching gloves and matching thigh-high boots. I love this. This is very nice, very sophisticated, and it's very true to the nature of Renaissance. Up next will be this look she uses to open Church Girl, and it is a custom silver look. I don't know who this is by, but once I find a designer, I'll be sure to pin it in my comment section. I love this look. It's very sexy, very, you know, over the top. I really like it. Alright guys, we have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, I gave you all the juicy tea and details of everything you might have missed from Beyonce's Washington show day 2. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and yeah, I would definitely be seeing you guys in the next CD. But for now, it is bye. Au revoir.